back to another video, and today is a day we're going after pickerel for the CCA of Maryland Pickerel Tournament. We're going to try to get on some pickerel, just at least to get on the board here and see if we can get anything, maybe get some yellow perch. Going out to a spot where my buddy has pointed me in the right direction. He's been getting stuff out there, so we're going to give that a shot. And shout out to Carl. And so we're going to see if we can get on some pickerel, measure them up on the board, throw them back, and see how many we can get. You know, it's a little foggy out today, so I think the conditions are kind of ideal. I don't know what the tides are going to be like there, but conditions look pretty good. So, you know, overcast and whatnot. I got different color lures, so we'll give it a shot with a few different and see which ones seem to work. So thanks again for watching. Make sure if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave some comments. And make sure you hit that notification bell if you haven't already done that, so whenever I post new content, you'll be able to see those new videos. So thanks again. Thanks for supporting the channel. Again, if you're interested in a hat, look at previous videos. Just email me and I get you a hat and give you the prices and all that good stuff. Have them in blue and in pink. And again, getting close to 250 subscribers. I think we're at 246 or something. So thanks to the new subscribers and welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy the content and continue to enjoy the content as much as I get the content out there. So thanks again for watching, and let's get on some of them pickerels and get on that leaderboard. All right, Big Yacker is out. First one. Oh yeah, there we go. We got one. He stays on, stays hooked. Oh, got off. Damn. Oh, I got a perch. Yeah, I gotta get a bigger one than this though. Well, I got a fish at least. Got the skunk out. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm on. Fish on. Oh, that's a pickerel. That's a pickerel. That's a pickerel. That's a pickerel, small one, but it might measure. It might be my first measurement. All right, we'll talk to you later. Yes, sir. Swallowed that hook. All right. What? 12.5 inches. Oh, you're the perch? Yeah. I want a 14, so I can get that pretty size 80. All right, let's see if it's measurable. What's that? 16 is a minimum, right? 14. Oh, 14? Okay. That's a 19er. You see the fish jumping around? No? That's a fucking pickerel right there. I have a feeling right here, these are pickerel. I have a feeling right here, that's pickerel. There we go. Stick it. in the boat. Get in the boat. Come on, get in the boat. Yeah! Fish on! Fish it on! Fish on, fish on, fish on! Yes, sir! Yes, sir. Meaty one. Meaty, meaty, meaty. This is a pain in my ass, though. Nope. You go nowhere. 24. Nope, nope. Stay, stay, stay. Stay. Bump board. My goodness. This one doesn't want to give it up. $24.5, baby. $24.5. 24.5, baby. Here we go. All right. Oh, I had a hit. There we go. Fish on. Fish on, fish on. Come on, stay on. Stay on. Small one. Oh, look at that baby pickerel. Oh, the yellow perch. Look at that thing. All right, fell in my kayak. No, it fell in my kayak. Nice. Heck yeah, buddy. Same thing? No. Same thing I've been using. Jerk bait. Yeah, buddy. Look at that for a yellow patch. Too small. No, yellow. Yeah, it's only 11.5 though. Nothing to write home about. I think that's the first one I've ever caught though. Compared to the white one, it's huge. But pretty good eating from what I hear, but I'm not gonna eat it. Nice yellow perch, all right. Go, buddy, go. Yeah. Oh, fish on. Right by the boat. Oh, jumping. Jumping. He jumped out of the water. Oh, again. Stay on, buddy. Stay on. Stay on. There we go. Tiny one, though. Yeah, pickerel. Too small, though. Probably not even measurable, really. Yeah, buddy. Oh, got off the hook. Got off the hook. I'll measure it, but I'm sure it's like tiny. Oh, 17. 17. 17. I'll get them anyway, just to have it on the board. Oh, maybe not, or not. That's all right. Just watch my video when it comes out soon. That one I caught right near the boat. Here, Scott, this is for you. Just a little twitch like that. No. The jerkbaits sink. All right, last spot before I leave. This spot's usually pretty productive, so let's see what we can get. There we go. There's one. Fish on. Fish on. Small one. Ooh, perch. Ooh, man, it's a good sized perch. Come on, baby. There's yellow perch here. Jeez. Oh, yellow perch. Another one. Nice sized perch, right? Nothing right home about, nope. Uh, 11. Come on, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. There you go. Fish on, fish on. Fish on. Oh my goodness. Now 4 species today. 4 species. Fourth species of the day. Little bass. A little nice looking, healthy looking thing, huh? All right. See you, buddy. All right, thanks for watching another Big Acre fishing video. So I got 4 different species today. We got, the first one was the white perch, then we got a pickerel and a bunch of pickerel, and then we got 2 more. We actually got 2 more yellow perch, I think it was, and then 11. I think that's my personal best yellow perch. I really haven't caught many of those anyway. I think that might even be my first one. I'm not sure. So that was awesome. But I got the citation pickerel, which I'm going to hopefully use for the tournament as long as it came out okay on video. But thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And feel free to leave a comment on any questions of the gear that I use. That'll also just message me and I can give you the information on the gear that I used, the jerk baits. And so hopefully we'll get some more pickerel fishing in. And hopefully next weekend, like I said, we'll be going to New York. So thanks again for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Big Yacker out.